Ready? Bowling.
Did you say bowling?
Yeah, book the bowling alley. Let's go bowling.
When do you go fucking bowling?
I take bowling very seriously, and we're going bowling. Get in the fucking cars.
Why in a suit?
Well, my bowling suit.
You don't have a bowling suit.
I have owned this suit for 3 years, and when I got it tailored at my Savile Row tailor, I said to you, this suit is specifically for...
You never said any of this. This is all made up. Everything about this is imaginary.
So what the fuck you been doing?
No, T. That's not a thing.
Now, we can bowl.
What can I say? What can I say? What can I say? You're going down. You're not ready.
Starting at a bowling suit. Look at these children's balls. I can't play with children's balls. I don't work for the BBC.
Nice.
I have big hands. I'm not skinny on the neck like Bane.
I hate
hitting the fucking ball.
Yeah, I hate games where my physical power doesn't help me. So I'm feeling I'm just going to send it as fast as I can down the line.
We're physical power men. We just go as hard as possible to win. This is all gay.
I told you I would win.
But you have a skinny neck for aerodynamics.
It was too strong. It was too much power.
No such thing.
I told you what would happen. I told you. What did I went to bowling class. I had a class in college dedicated to this game. You don't stand a chance. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's done. Game over. No way. No way. Right here, buddy. Right here, buddy.